Welcome back to our very fun and informative monthly newsletter. The CCA team is growing and we're so excited to be getting a new space built out as we speak. We have plans to add many more security-focused engineers and help desk staff to better support you. Even now, we're interviewing for 3 more positions we need just this year. Our new space will be much more collaborative and help us be all in one spot. Over the years, we've grown and taken up now about 3 different suites in our current office. So keep up with these monthly newsletters and we'll bring you along as we progress in that construction project. Now you're up to speed on everything CCA. So let's talk about what's happening in the tech space. Microsoft Teams released Breakout Rooms recently to match a feature that's long been available in other platforms like Zoom, for example. Breakout Rooms are great for large staff meetings or other large video gatherings. After our large meeting is finished, we can break our staff into specific teams and talk in more detail about particular department things, what's going on for that next week, etc. Enabling this feature and using it though isn't the most intuitive, so we wanted to show you what that looks like and how to use it. For starters, you'll need to be working in the Teams app directly. You can use the web app, of course, as well. But at the time of shooting this, I can't view or control any of these features from Outlook. Go ahead and hit that Schedule tab in Teams and start building your meeting. Invite the people you need, create a subject, and all that sort of stuff. From that first window, you won't actually see breakout rooms or any of the other meeting extras that come with Teams. Once you have the meeting built, go ahead and send that out. If you're adding rooms to existing Teams meetings, you don't need to do any of what I just said, actually. But now that the meeting is built, go ahead and edit it. Across the top now, you'll see Teams feature tabs with the breakout rooms being all the way at the end. Meeting notes and whiteboard are here as well, so feel free to go check those tools out as well. They're kind of fun to play with. The meeting notes especially could be good for large meetings as well. Inside breakout rooms, you'll now see the option to create rooms. Note the cog on that page as well. It's where the settings for breakout rooms exist. If you want to assign others to help you manage the meeting and room assignments, you can choose that and other rooms features from there as well. In the settings, you can allow people to go back to the main room or just leave when their breakout room is finished. You can also determine how people get assigned rooms, whether automatically or manually by administrators. In most cases, I imagine that you'll assign rooms manually because an automatic room assignment seems like it wouldn't have a ton of use cases. So I would imagine that gets changed for most people. When your options for the room are all set, choose Create Rooms and then select the amount of rooms you'll want. I would recommend at this point naming those rooms because it's easier to name them and manage it here than during the meeting. And that's pretty much it. When you join the meeting, you can now see the Rooms tab at the top. From there, you can assign participants to rooms, and then when you're ready, open those rooms, and the participants that are assigned to each room will head into those breakout meetings. If you go to close those rooms, it will bring all the participants back into the main room. At this point, remember those breakout room options from before that lets you choose if people come back to the main room or their meeting is over when they leave their breakout meeting. So make sure you have that set to the way you want your meeting to flow. I hope this was helpful, everyone. Maybe it can be a step towards using fewer video platforms if you use a couple of them to get your job done. Make it a wonderful May, and we'll see you next time. Bye.